Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can repost someone's story on the Instagram. For that, just open the Instagram app and make sure you have logged in into the account of the Instagram. So, on the top right corner, you can see the message icon. Just tap in it and then you can see that someone has mentioned me on a story. So, tap on it and then you need to tap on add to your story option. Then after that you will be guided to the story page where you can just add the story on the Instagram. So you can adjust it with the size of your preference on this page and mention again to them so that they can acknowledge that you have posted their story on your Instagram. Or else if you don't want to mention, then that's open you. So here on the bottom you can see your story option. Just tap on it and then you can easily repost someone's story on the Instagram. If anyone hasn't mentioned you on the story, then what you can do is you can just open the story of the person or the user you want to repost, and once you open their story, then on the right bottom corner you can see the airplane like icon. Tap on it, and once you tap here, over here you don't see add to story option. So from this way it's not possible to add the story. So what you can do is just screenshot this, and once you have taken the screenshot of the photo, what you can do is simply you can tap on your story option on the top left corner. Tap on it and you can just choose the photo you recently screenshotted, and then you can just adjust it according to the size of your preferences. And then on the top you can see the type in option. Tap on it and then you need to mention this user, as reposting someone's story on Instagram without your acknowledgement is not appropriate. So you need to mention the user. So once you mention them, then you can tap on your story option, and and this way you can repost someone's story on the Instagram. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.